Hello everyone, my name is Marie with Connect and today I am here to talk about the best Korean instant coffee brands. So recently we made a video about Budget Seoul, and in that video we go to a very unique, beautiful coffee shop because the Korean coffee shop culture is quite special. And now with this video we want to show you another side of the Korean coffee culture. Instead of coffee shops, we want to talk about instant Korean coffee brands. With me today I have 3 of the most popular Korean instant products. I will go over them one by one and we'll try them as well. So you probably recognize some of these. We have Maxim Coffee, then we have Lucas 9, and these come in different flavors. And then we have Kanu Black Coffee. The first one I want to talk a little bit more about is Maxim Coffee, and this is something that you will see in Korean dramas, or if you go to the bank you'll find this there, or your doctor, anywhere you can find Maxim Coffee. They have different flavors, but this specific product is the most popular one. This has a very well balanced flavor, and this is so convenient to just take one packet, for example, on your trip, find some hot water and prepare yourself some delicious instant coffee. Fun fact about Maxim Gold is that this is a halal-friendly product. The next product I will be talking about is the Namyang French coffee. So these come in a lot of different flavors. You just have the latte one, then you have cappuccino, hazelnut, cafe mocha, or caramel macchiato. So let's open it up. So packet-wise, it's pretty big, especially if you compare it to the Maxim Coffee. Then the next product I want to talk about is Kanu Black Coffee. So this is actually also made by Maxim, but it's more of a luxury version of coffee and it doesn't contain any sweeteners. If you go to Korean marts, you'll always find this product and you can buy them as a set. They sell them with mugs, tumblers and other coffee products. This has a very rich and dark flavor. So a pretty small sachet, even smaller than the Maxim one and definitely smaller than the Namyang Coffee. Let me get my favorite mugs and I'll give all of them a try and see how they taste. While I'm preparing my 3 coffee cups, I want to give you guys a little bit of background info about instant coffee in Korea because I think it's pretty interesting. Coffee wasn't introduced in Korea until the last dynasty, which is like 120 years ago, when King Gojong was hiding at the Russian legation during the Japanese invasion, and that's where he drank coffee for the first time. So after the Korean War, the coffee industry started to take off, but a lot of exclusive coffee shops were opening around the capital, which were only for the rich people. This was not a place for commoners to go and enjoy coffee. So it wasn't until Dongsu Foods introduced instant coffee by selling mixed sticks like the Maxim ones, which had coffee, sugar and cream, in 1976. And this took coffee all the way from the expensive coffee shops to the homes and the offices. And Korea became the largest consumer of instant coffee in the world, with 75% of Korean population drinking instant coffee on a regular basis, which is pretty impressive. Okay, so that's the 3 coffees ready to try. So I have the coffees ready, I have my Korean coffee table, my favorite Starbucks mugs. So for me personally, I am a cafe latte person. So if I go to a cafe, especially in summer, I will always order a latte and preferably ice. I am really not a sugary kind of person, so I prefer not to have any sweeteners in my coffee. So I think that the Namyang or the Kanu will be my personal favorites. But I'm open to be surprised, and let's give it a try. So first of all, Maxim Gold. To be honest, this is my first time trying this coffee and I expected it to be sweeter. It's actually not that sweet at all. It's a bit sweet, but really not what I expected. I'm pleasantly surprised. This kind of tastes like dark coffee. Let's move on to the Namyang Cafe au lait. Oh wow. Okay, so I didn't expect the milk to taste really like milk, but it just really tastes like latte. Yeah, like really, it doesn't... Wow, that's very impressive. I always imagine instant latte to taste a little bit more artificial, but this has a very nice flavor. I can see myself drinking this in the morning on my terrace. This is also actually trying this for the first time ever. And then the last one, Kanu. I actually drank this many times. Before I used to have my own coffee machine, I always bought Kanu and made myself a cup every morning. So I'm very used to this flavor and I really like it. But I switched to cafe lattes, so I haven't had this in like a year and a half. But yeah, that's good. I remember that flavor. What I always loved about this coffee is how intense the flavor is and like how much it just tastes like coffee shop coffee. So my personal favorite, I'm gonna stick to my original beverage, and that's the Kanu Coffee. But I was very pleasantly surprised by the Namyang Latte, and I think I'm gonna have this more often, especially maybe with ice. I'm gonna give that a try. Okay everyone, I hope you enjoyed our review about the best Korean instant coffee brands. If you've tried any of these or if you have any suggestions about other coffee brands, let us know in the description box below. We'll also put some links to where you can buy these coffees online. And don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on that notification bell. And we hope to see you again with other videos another time. Bye!